Experiencing sluggish browsing speeds, mysterious memory leaks, or simply want to optimize your browser's performance? Well, using the built-in Task Manager in Chrome, you can do all that. And in this video, I'll show how you can access it and use it on your computer. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. After that, hover over More Tools and click on Task Manager. You can also press the Shift and Escape or ESC key together to bring it up. And here, you will find tasks names, their memory footprints, CPU usage, network usage, process ID, etc. If you want, you can end a task by clicking on it, then hitting the End Process button from here. So guys, that's how you access and use the Google Chrome built-in Task Manager on your PC. If the video was useful, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.